Hello guys, I'm back with another video. Did you see a new intro? We're gonna do intro. Gonna play. What should we play? Fidget trading? Okay, let's do it. My name is should I say? Yes. No, I'm just kidding. You know my name. I didn't change the first word, but you can know it. Okay. What should we give, guys? Let's give, because we have 5 of those. I'm gonna give him this and add more. You done. Trade rejected because he's cheating. I said add more because this is $5 in each. It's not $5. On this puppet, it's gonna be $600. Just one is with $100. Add more. Okay, trade. Oh my god. Okay, guys. And when okay, I'm gonna give him one of these and puppets one. Okay, you wanna fight, huh? Trade? Are you serious? Nope. Okay, trade. I'm just okay, guys. Okay, guys. I'm gonna wake up my aunt. Okay, guys. I'm just saying those. I just got back from the Terran, but when they start, I'm going because I don't know why. Okay, guys, I changed my mind because now I'm gonna done. See you guys, and don't forget to turn on the notifications bell on. Don't forget to leave a big thumbs up. Okay, see you tomorrow or later now. Bye bye.